Hey, it's Dr. Ko here from Reset Ketamine in Palm Springs, California. And one of the things that I love to do is read and listen to books. So I just recently finished an audiobook. It's called Miracle Morning. And this book is kind of old. It's been around for a while and people have actually recommended this book to me, but I never just got around to it. And the reason is probably because I'm not a morning person. I prefer to stay up late and get up late is my optimal situation in life. However, once I finished reading this book, I learned some of the health benefits and psychological benefits of waking up in the morning. Now, one of the things that you're wondering is, well, if I wake up in the morning, well, what am I going to do? And there's a beautiful mnemonic that the author shares in this book. And the mnemonic is SAVERS, S-A-V-E-R-S. And I want to break that down for you. So the first S stands for silence. And by silence, specifically discussing meditating, taking a moment of solitude where you can be quiet and kind of listen and connect within. So that's the first S. The next letter is A. A stands for affirmations. And by affirmations, what I mean is stating things that you are or want to be. I am powerful. I am confident. I am healing every day. I am prosperous and abundant. So those are some of the affirmations that you'd want to write down and read first thing in the morning. The next letter is V. V stands for visualization. And what you can do for this component is visualize the day that is going to proceed. Visualize exactly, hey, this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to get up. I'm going to use the restroom. I'm going to drink my coffee. I'm going to exercise. I'm going to go meet up with Joe. Whatever it may be. Visualize each and everything that could happen in the perfect way that you'd want it to be. Our brains are incredibly powerful, and using that visualization tool can really help you get leverage. The next letter is E, and E stands for exercise. So I know it can be challenging to exercise in the morning, but there's something, for me at least, when I started doing it, I just got a lot more energy for the rest of the day. So incorporating a bit of exercise, and it doesn't have to be a huge amount. You don't have to do a 1 hour, 2 hour workout, but even if it's 5 minutes or 10 minutes, whatever it may be, a real quick exercise just to get things going in the morning. The next letter is R. And R stands for reading. So taking time to read something. And for me, I'm really into Kindle and Audible, so I've been reading in my own way through these other formats because sometimes it can be, kind of hard to get a hardcover book. So I personally listen to Audible and I'm just downloading and reading and listening to these books. So you want to fill your brain with new information or even old information, but stimulating the brain via reading. The last letter is S. And S stands for scribing. And if you remember back in the days, scribing, it's essentially writing. So what you want to do is write in the morning. And what I personally do is I like to write down my dreams when I first wake up. So that's my S. I scribe and I'm like, all right, I just had a dream and I feel like there may be, some connection between the dreams and the unconscious mind. So I try to wake up first thing in the morning and write down the dreams that I've had the previous night for recall. What I've discovered is that if I don't do it the first thing in the morning, those dreams will fade. Now, you may not want to write down your dreams. You may want to write down something else. You might just want to journal, whatever it may be, doing some sort of scribing. So I want to break it down for you again. It's SAVERS, silence, affirmations, visualizations, exercise, reading, and lastly, scribing or writing. I'll put the link down for the book below so that you can check it out if you decide to have a miracle morning. Finally, hit that like or subscribe button so you can stay tuned and up to date on the latest information. I will see you in the next video.